The WallArk series by SunArk Power is the ultimate energy storage solution for home use. This innovative system combines sleek design with high power density, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and exceptional performance. Available in 4 variants with capacities ranging from 2.56 to 10.24 kilowatt hours, it utilizes safe and reliable lithium iron phosphate batteries. They have a 20-year design life and can last over 6,000 cycles, delivering outstanding longevity. Installation is easy with options for both wall mounting and ground stack brick setups, and the scalable modular design allows for up to 15 battery packs in parallel connection. Each unit is equipped with a robust battery management system that provides multi-point monitoring and enhanced protection. Ideal for OEM services, the WallArk series supports very low order quantities. SunArk Power is a global energy storage solutions provider, specializing in residential, commercial, and utility applications. With over 20 years of experience and 90,000 plus systems in 80 countries, we enable reliable, accessible, and clean energy to millions.